Hello dear children, welcome back to the class. In the previous class we have finished working with words, page number 82. So today we are going to see a page number 83, that is learning about language. Okay, so today's topic is learning about language. So here we are going to understand what is describing words, and we are going to see many examples also. Okay, so let us know what is describing words first. Okay, yes. So describing words means words which tell us about naming words are called describing words. So words which tell us about naming words are called describing words. Okay, now let us see more examples. So here, read this passage. Look at the underlined words. Okay, the first example is Deepa is a young girl. She lives in a big house. Okay, so Deepa is a young girl. So you can understand here, you can identify the underlined word, that is young. So young is describing words. So young is describing Deepa. Okay, so this word is describing about Deepa, and she lives in a big house. What type of house she's living? She's living in a big house. Her house is in a busy city. So here busy is a describing words. So describing words is also called adjectives. Okay, so describing words means it's also called adjectives. So they tell us more about a noun or a pronoun. So describing words tell us more about a noun or a pronoun. And when an adjective tell us more about a noun, so it mostly comes before it. Okay, so before it comes. So you can see here girl before, you can see a describing word. So house before big, and city before busy. So these words are describing about the noun or a pronoun. So you can see here girl. So a young is describing about girl, and big is describing about house, and busy is describing about city. Okay, so the words young, big and busy tell us about the naming words girl, house and city, isn't it? Yes. So now let us see, underline all the describing words. So here we have to underline the describing words. The first one, Bim is an old man, but he is a strong man. So, which is the describing words, children, here? Yes, old and strong. These two words are describing words. So here, old, this word is describing about a man, that is Bim, and strong is describing about a man. Okay, now he lives in a small house. So here, which is the describing word? Small. The next one, his house is in a large village near a wide river. So which is the describing words, children, here? Yes, large and wide. These are the describing words. Okay, so his house is in a large village and near a wide river. Bim has a fine boat. So here, which is the describing word? Fine. F-I-N-E. Fine is a describing word. The next one, last one, look at the huge fish. He is pulling out of the deep water. Okay, so which is the describing words, children, here in this sentence? Yes, huge fish. So this word is describing about the fish. Okay, H-U-G-E, huge fish. And he is pulling out of the deep water. So deep is describing about water. Okay, so here we have finished the given exercise, that is describing words. Now again let us see what is the next one topic is listening and speaking. Okay, so listen to these words and repeat them aloud. So just I'll read these words, children. Just you listen carefully, and after me you have to repeat. Okay, so heat, meet, beat, cook, look, took, coat, goat, float, feel, wheel, and heel. Yes, so these are all the words you have to, once you have to read this all the words loudly. Okay, so related to this topic there is an exercise in the next page, that is page number 84. Now let's go to the page number 84 and let's do this. Add these words to the list on the previous page. Okay, can you see the pictures, children? First we have to write the name of the picture. After that, which is the suitable word to this list. Okay, which is the suitable word for this list, we have to write given in the given space. Okay, now first let us write this name of the picture. What is this, children? Book. This is boat, and this is seat, and this is reel. So now let's write the name of the picture first. So here I wrote the name of the picture, that is book, boat, seat, and reel. So now we have to write these names to the previous list. Okay, so here I wrote, that is the first one is seat, S-E-A-T, seat. So you can see here H-E-A-T, M-E-A-T, B-E-A-T, S-E-A-T. Okay, so seat. The next one is book, B-O-O-K, book. The next one, B-O-A-T, boat. Coat, goat, float, boat. The last one is reel, R-E-E-L, reel. Okay, so once again we'll read heat, meet, beat, seat, cook, look, took, book, coat, goat, float, boat, feel, wheel, heel, reel. Okay, so you have to write like this in your textbook. So no need to write in a classwork book, just you write this and this in your textbook itself. Okay, let's move to the next one, that is activity. Okay, so look at these words: brilliant, delicious, ugly, strong, famous, tall, pink, sticky, naughty, and poor. So these all words are describing words. So we have finished, just now we have finished describing words topic, isn't it? Yes. So what they have given here, think of something each word could describe. Write down the describing word from the list and your word. So like a brilliant. So we have to add the next word, brilliant diamond, like this. Okay, so now work with the partner. Don't show your partner your list. Read out one of your words to your partner. Okay, so this, for this activity you need a partner, otherwise you need your friends. Okay, then only you can play this activity. Okay, so now just I'll give the idea, children, how to write. So you can see a describing words like this here. Okay, so what we can do right here, the first one is brilliant diamond. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Take this one, tall. So what we can say, tall lady. Then delicious cake, pink dress, ugly duckling, and sticky gum, strong man, naughty child. We can say naughty child, famous poet, and poor people. Okay, so then when we will make like this, then afterwards we can make our own sentence using of this describing words. Okay, so for example, just I will say, children, orally, just you listen carefully. Okay, so the first one will take this one, brilliant. Okay, So the brilliant diamond shone in the sunlight. So we can make a complete sentence using a describing word. Okay, next one. We'll go for delicious. I tasted the delicious cake. The next one. The story of ugly duckling is popular. Okay, next is strong. Balu is a strong man. We can say Balu is a strong man. The next one, famous. Okay, the famous poet won a prize. Okay, next word is tall. The tall lady walked fast. Next one, Indu's pink dress was pretty. We can say Indu's pink dress was pretty. The next, the sticky gum stuck to my hands. Okay. The next one, the naughty child played in the rain. So always does a naughtiness, isn't it? Yes. The next one, last one, Raja helped the poor people. Okay. So we can say Raja helped the poor people. So these are the describing words. We have used this describing words in a sentence also. Okay, so this listen careful children. Okay, so after that this all you have complete in your textbook itself. Okay, so here we have completed all the exercise from the lesson number 10. Tell me about grandfather. Okay, so here I'm going to complete my class. I'm going to end my class. So complete your homework children and see you in the next class. Take care and bye bye. Thank you.